Phenol versus carboxylic acid. This is today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn some differences between phenol and carboxylic acid. So let's begin. Phenol versus carboxylic acid. Let us see some differences between them. Phenol. On the right side, carboxylic acid. This is a kind of carboxylic acid, benzoic acid. This is a kind of aromatic acid as well. Or we can take aliphatic carboxylic acid. Point number 1. Bromine solution. Phenol reacts with bromine solution. And forms white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. White precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol, and water is formed as byproduct. But carboxylic acid experiences no reaction with bromine solution. Carboxylic acid doesn't give any reaction with bromine solution. No reaction. Point number 2. Ferric chloride solution. Phenol undergoes reaction with ferric chloride solution, and as a result, violet colored, this compound is formed, diferric hexaphenate. Violet colored diferric hexaphenate is formed when phenol reacts with ferric chloride solution. Here, HCl is formed as byproduct. On the other hand, carboxylic acid suffers no reaction with ferric chloride solution. No reaction. Point number 3. Sodium metal. Phenol is a kind of weak acid, extremely weak acid. That is why phenol undergoes no reaction with sodium metal. On the other hand, carboxylic acid, this is a kind of a bit stronger acid than phenol. That is why carboxylic acid undergoes reaction with sodium metal to form this compound. Sodium benzoate, and hydrogen gas evolves from the reaction. Carboxylic acid is a kind of stronger acid compared to phenol. Here, acid dissociation constant for carboxylic acid is 6.3 times 10 to the power -5. but acid dissociation constant for phenol, this is 1.3 times 10 to the power minus 10. So this is smaller, but acid dissociation constant for carboxylic acid is higher. From these values, we can say that carboxylic acid is a strong acid compared to phenol. Now let us see difference number 4. Point 4. Sodium bicarbonate. Phenol doesn't undergo reaction with sodium bicarbonate. No reaction. On the contrary, carboxylic acid undergoes reaction with sodium bicarbonate, and here sodium benzoate, carbon dioxide gas, and water are formed. From this reaction, carbon dioxide gas evolves, but phenol cannot produce carbon dioxide reacting with sodium bicarbonate. Presence of carbon dioxide is proved by this reaction. Carbon dioxide gas is passed through transparent solution of calcium hydroxide, lime water. Then transparent solution of calcium hydroxide turns into milky, that is, calcium carbonate is formed and water is formed. Through the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate, transparent solution of calcium hydroxide turns into milky. This is the reaction by which carboxylic acid is identified. Similarly, aliphatic carboxylic acid reacting with sodium bicarbonate forms carbon dioxide gas, sodium carboxylate, carbon dioxide gas, and water. This carbon dioxide proves the presence of carboxyl group. This is a kind of identification reaction of carboxylic acids. This is all about difference between phenol and carboxylic acid. No more today. Thank you very much.